Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we are sighting in my Radical Firearms AR15 pistol. I've actually been about half the distance. I was probably at 25 yards, getting it pretty close to target. So now we're back at 50 yards. So we already burned through this magazine of 22. So the 22 conversion kit is working. We went through this magazine. I'm now using the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522 mag in my Radical Firearms. So we fired one shot out of it already, so it should continue to cycle. We'll test that theory though, and then go ahead and try to get this thing sighted in. So at the moment, I'm just going to fire single shots. Katie is ahead of me over there off camera. She's marking with a marker and then shouting back to me, let me know which way I need to adjust it. And then once we think we got her dialed it in, then we'll do the proper way of do it, which is you got to kind of do 3 shots and then kind of triangulate them wherever the center is whereabout you want to be. So this is just single shot though at this point. I'll fire 3 rounds. Let me know whereabouts they are.
You went way low. Closer to the bull, I guess. You're still about 1 up and 1 left. You need to go down. This one came close. It was in almost the 10 round. That's your farthest over triangle so far.
What do you think?
You're now 3 over, and this one raced.
Well, here's the problem. I'm going to be honest with you. It's so bright out here, I cannot see the red dot. So I'm pretty much blind firing. Which is what I've been doing almost this whole time, because I just can't see the dot on the target.
Would it help if you do the crosshairs versus the dot?
No, I just can't see. It's too bright. There's no way to really make this any easier to see unless the target is darker in color. So what we're going to have to do...
You want the orange ones?
Don't I have a black target somewhere out here? Okay, boys. So I'll tell you right now, this optic that's on here, I don't know if they're all like that. I'd have to break out Katie's and compare her optic to mine, but I can't see the target. It's too difficult. So we're posting another one. It's a big, huge, giant black target. And so we're going to try it again and then fire it that way. Yeah, your optic is brighter. So I guess you get what you pay for. Your optic I can see clear as day.
Almost dead center. Still in the bullseye area.
Almost dead center. Still in the bullseye area. A little left.
It's hard to see the sight. But we'll finish these out, and if it looks good, then we'll just call it a boom done. What do you think?
One was perfect, the other two are a little left. They're in the border.
So it's probably close enough for government work. Alright, I'm going to fire the rest out of your magazine and then call it a day then.
Way high on that one.
They look like they're kind of high.
That very first one was way high. There's still a little left.
Well, I got one round left in here.
High and higher.
Final round.
Way high.
Well, I don't see how. I was aiming at the same fucking place.
Well, it's center-ish, but it's high. That was your highest yet on this target.
Alright, we'll try some more then. Let me just confirm then that it's too high.
Almost center.
Almost center.
What do you think?
The first one was perfect. I don't know about that last one.
Where was that one? Where was that one?
Far left up.
That one's about center, but left. Almost same.
That one's about center but left. Almost same exact spot.
That was way left and high.
That was way left and high.
Alright, we ready to rock?
Center left. More left.
More left again.
Center left. More left.
Center, scotch to the left. That one's more left.
Center, scotch to the left. That one's more left.
That one's pretty good.
I went 2 clicks right.
Bullseye on that last one.
It's in the orange. Orange again.
That's in the orange. Orange again.
Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. all orange.
What? They all orange?
Yep. There's a triangle.
They were pretty good then.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay, boys, and we are back from the range. Weapon is cleaned. And so we did test it with our 22 conversion kit, fired flawlessly. And thank God we used that conversion kit to sight to stay in. Or as you can see, I would have went bankrupt using 5.56 or 2.23 at the current rate that ammunition goes for, since it took 100 million years to sight it in. So that may or may not be my fault when it comes to sighting it in. Maybe each one of those clicks is just a fine adjustment. Maybe, maybe not. But one thing I do not like about this optic, other than it doesn't have a dust cover like the Crimson Trace did, that's mounted on the Smith & Wesson. But this optic is just not very bright. Even on its maximum brightness, you just can't see if you're aimed at a light colored target. And even with all these different reticles you get to choose from, I had to use the cross and put a big huge black target out there at 50 yards so I could even see the damn thing. And even then, because I couldn't see where the cross would intersect, I had to put a little black dot in the middle of the orange dot on the bullseye. So, but at the very least, we did learn a few things. This sight kind of sucks in broad daylight, and 22 conversion kit does work perfectly well in your Radical Firearms AR15 pistol. So hopefully, at the very least, it was entertaining, and maybe you learned something. So me and Kitty Kitty will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.